Bookstack versus Wiki.js, which knowledge management platform is better? Bookstack is a simple markdown-based platform structured like a physical library for linear documentation. It is for creating organized, structured documentation in a book-like format. It emphasizes simplicity, ease of use, and a clean, familiar interface. Its content is organized into shelves, books, chapters, and pages. It uses Markdown for writing, but also offers a user-friendly editor. Bookstack is for individuals or small teams needing structured linear documentation, users who prefer a familiar book-like navigation experience, and for those prioritizing simplicity and quick setup for self-hosted solutions. Wiki.js, on the other hand, is a powerful, highly customizable, and feature-rich wiki engine for dynamic collaborative knowledge bases. Its core function is for building a versatile and collaborative wiki. It prioritizes flexibility, extensibility through modules, and rich features of diverse content types. Content is organized more freely, typically in a flat or folder-like structure, linked through internal wiki links. It supports multiple editors. Who it's for? It's for teams needing a highly customizable and scalable wiki solutions. Users who want advanced features like robust search, granular permissions, and multiple authentication options. It is for organizations that require deep integration with other systems or version control. Choose Bookstack if you need a simple, straightforward platform for structured linear documentation. You prioritize ease of use and quick setup over extensive features. It's your digital bookshelf. Choose wiki.js if you need a powerful, highly customizable, and extensible wiki for dynamic, collaborative knowledge bases. You require advanced features, deep integrations, and robust versions control. It's your versatile interconnected knowledge hub.